In a world where time is both a measure and a masterpiece, Aineo Intelligent Technology stands at the forefront of innovation. For nearly 2 decades, we have redefined the art of watchmaking, merging Swiss precision with Chinese ingenuity. As a leader in OEM, ODM, and OBM solutions, we empower brands to transcend boundaries, from concept to creation, from factory floors to global shores. With state-of-the-art facilities and a legacy of precision, Aineo delivers OEM services trusted by global giants. Whether crafting luxury timepieces or smartwatches, we transform your designs into reality. Rigorous quality control, scalable production, and seamless logistics ensure your vision meets the world flawlessly. Beyond manufacturing, we breathe life into ideas. Our ODM expertise offers end-to-end solutions, from market analysis to bespoke design. Leverage our 50-plus SKU success in smart home devices and wearable tech, tailored to resonate with consumers across Europe, the Americas, and Asia. At Aineo, your brand inherits our innovation. With 3,000 offline stores and a footprint in 110-plus countries, Aineo solutions transcend borders. Our smartwatches empower lifestyle tracking, health metrics, sensing with IoT ecosystems, and even controlling smart vehicles. For brands seeking agility or pioneers carving their legacy, Aineo is the partner that turns time into timeless success. From OEM foundations to OBM horizons, Aineo Intelligent Technology is where innovation meets infinity. Join us, and let's craft the future one tick at a time.